High-altitude mist clears to reveal the sweeping scale of the alpine wilderness. The weaver extracts a plump kernel from the casing. The raptor's shadow looms, plunging the field into darkness. A golden wheat field glows in the evening sun. Two passerine birds feed. A shadow falls in. The shadow of a raptor sends a pair of weavers fleeing from the field into the ancient canopy. Safe now, Safe in the canopy, the instinct to build overtakes the need to flee. The first dry twig is driven deep into the crevice, setting the vital cornerstone of their legacy. The tension mounts as a crack appears in the central egg, signaling the arrival of a new life. The hatchling emerges. The chick's instinctual begging is met with a lifeline as the adult returns. Constant feeding fuels rapid growth, transforming bare hatchlings into crowded, downy nestlings. The overcrowded nest forces the restless chick to seek new ground, its climb testing the patience of the others. The patriarch tempts the curious chick with food, coaxing it toward the edge. You must leave the nest to eat. Take the step.
Mama! Mama!
Food. Instinct takes over as the exposed fledgling discovers its wings to survive. Come on, little one. You can make it.
Cheep, cheep.
Just take the leap. A sudden burst of instinctual lift saves the young bird from disaster. Hundreds of golden birds gather in the shallow river, drinking and preparing for a journey. The storm-swept gorge proves a brutal gauntlet. The flock buckles, then reforms, finding strength in unity to push. Driven by the elder birds, the scattered flock collapses inward, forming a spear-like wedge. The massive hawk, a symbol of brute force, prepares to strike. The flock's synchronized maneuver proves too clever for the hunter's speed. The hawk plunges harmlessly through the hollow center of the parted flock. As it falls, the birds snap back together, reforming their jaw. The predator utilizes the deep updrafts to launch a secondary vertical strike. As it extends instinctively, the rigid formation shatters into a blinding, defensive swarm. Brutal headwinds and swirling dust. Battered by the storm and the swarm, the apex predator finally falters. With the threat neutralized, the generational flock pushes toward the sanctuary. The storm behind them, the massive flock breaks free, their golden feathers catching the sun as they find the open sky. The golden wave banks downward, drawn toward their final sanctuary. The golden wave descends rapidly, entering the valley's humid air and sweeping over the reflective river. The long migration ends as the flock reclaims the ancient canopy. The massive flock settles into the sanctuary, finding peace after the grueling storm. Instinct reignites as a single piece of dry wood captures the weaver's attention. Anchored in their new home, the pair stands ready to begin the cycle anew. In the fading light, the enduring pair begins to rebuild their legacy. The great sanctuary valley embraces them, offering absolute, undisturbed peace. And so, the eternal cycle of the wilderness continues, perfectly balanced.